Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a display that's not designed to impress casually, but instead to perform relentlessly in demanding environments. This is the LG 55XS4P-B, a 55-inch full HD commercial signage monitor built for extreme brightness, long operating hours, and professional installations where visibility is non-negotiable. Right away, the defining feature becomes clear the moment the screen lights up. This panel delivers up to 4,000 nits of typical brightness, with a minimum rating of 3,200 nits. That level of brightness is far beyond what standard TVs or consumer monitors can produce. It's made specifically for locations with heavy ambient light, storefront windows, sun-exposed areas, and bright indoor spaces where ordinary displays become unreadable. The resolution is 1920 by 1080, and while some might expect higher resolution on a 55-inch panel, this choice is intentional. Full HD ensures consistent image quality, reduced processing strain, and better long-term stability during continuous operation. In commercial signage, clarity and uptime matter more than pixel density, and this display reflects that philosophy. Text remains crisp even at a distance, colors stay punchy without looking oversaturated, and motion content maintains clarity under harsh lighting. This makes it well-suited for advertisements, announcements, digital menus, live information feeds, and promotional visuals that need to be seen clearly throughout the day. Connectivity is clearly designed with professionals in mind. You get 2 HDMI ports with HDCP 1.4 support, DisplayPort with HDCP 1.3, and RS-232 for external control and system integration. This allows the display to work seamlessly with content management systems, media players, control panels, and centralized monitoring setups. It's a display that fits easily into existing commercial AV infrastructures. Reliability is another major focus here. The LG 55XS4P-B is engineered for extended daily usage and demanding operational schedules. Businesses don't want displays that dim, overheat, or require frequent replacement, and this monitor is built to maintain performance over long periods with minimal intervention. The physical design stays professional and understated. Slim bezels help keep attention on the content, while the solid construction supports permanent mounting in landscape or portrait orientation. Whether it's installed in a retail space, corporate building, transportation hub, or public venue, it looks appropriate and purposeful. This is not a screen meant for gaming, home theaters, or casual entertainment. It's a specialized commercial solution for businesses that need content to stay visible, readable, and reliable in environments where lighting conditions are far from ideal. If your priority is a display that can run for long hours, integrate easily into professional systems, and deliver consistent brightness day after day, this monitor delivers exactly that. It doesn't chase trends or unnecessary features. It focuses on doing one job extremely well. If you want to buy this LG 55XS4P-B, please visit the link provided in the description.